Now we will open MS Excel. We have to click on Start button, then on Microsoft Excel 2007. The first active sheet will come sheet 1. We have to enter some data here in a active cell. To undo the action in quick access toolbar, there is a undo button. Undo typing Ctrl plus Z. If you will click on undo button, अगर हम undo button पे click करेंगे, the data which have written is gone. That means it comes on the previous state. वो पहले वाली state में आ जाएगा. जो data हम लिखेंगे वो चला जाएगा. To redo the action, उसी action को वापस लाने के लिए we have to click on redo button in quick access toolbar. When we click on redo button, the data which we have written automatically comes again. For this, we can use the shortcut key also. Control Z and Control Y for redo the action and undo the action. And all this can be done in enter mode. As earlier we have discussed that to edit the data, we have to double click on the active cell and the particular cell converted into edit mode. So here the edit mode is not necessary. To undo the action, we can directly click on the undo button in ready mode. Undo and redo. We can do the thing in ready mode. No need to go in edit mode. Next is inserting a column and a row. If you want to insert a column, you have to click on the cell where you want to insert the column or a row. In context menu, you will see there is the option of insert. When you will click on insert, the pop-up box will appear and you can see the option shift cell right, shift cells down, entire row, entire column. If you will click on entire column, okay, the entire column will add on the left hand side of the particular cell which you have selected. जो भी cell select करोगे उसके left hand side पर automatically one column will be add up. And in same way, if you want to delete that particular cell, you have to click on the cell and go on delete option. Now you can delete the entire column. Okay, the entire column will be deleted. In similar way, if you want to add up a new row, you can click on the cell and go in insert. You will see the option entire row. You can click on it and okay. After that, you will see that the entire row is add up here in the particular cell. Now there is an option of copy and paste. To copy and paste a data, you have to click on the data which you want to copy. You have to do the right click. There is an option of copy. When you will copy the particular data, after that you can paste it anywhere in the sheet wherever you want that data. If suppose you want this data in F2, you can go there and do the right click and click on paste. That particular data is pasted in F2 which you have copied. The data is same. If it will is you can find the data in both the location while you have done the copy. If you want to cut the data from the particular place or to move the data, you have to click on cut option. When you will click on the cut option, that particular data is removed from there, and wherever you want, suppose G2, you have to click paste option. That data is removed from the its original place. That's the difference between copy and paste. In copy, the data remains in both the place, and in cut, in moving the data is removed from its original place. Autofill feature. You have to write data like January. You will see a plus sign down here. if you will click on the plus sign and drag the columns and leave the cursor, you will see the data is automatically filled by itself. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. And if you will select it and drag it to one more cell, it will come. December will there. See, in autofill feature you have to write the only the first data on a first cell, and after that the data automatically filled itself. I will give you one example. 1, if you will write 1 and you will see a plus sign here, and you will drag the column, in all the column you will see the 1 will come, 1 1 1 1 1. In similar way you can use autofill feature in many ways. Thank you.